Welcome back to another episode of Chad Williams Fixes All. We are going to quickly take you through the brief steps of getting the oil maintenance reset light turned off on your 2008 Toyota Matrix. All right, you've got your key in the ignition and it's to the run position. We want to make sure that your odometer is showing. In our case, we've got 152,846 miles. We're going to reach in, we're going to turn the key off. In the off position, we're going to push and hold the trip button. While we're doing that, we're going to turn the ignition back to run. And we're going to see the odometer is now replaced by flashing lights. Once you see zeros, you let up on the button and your maintenance light is reset. There it is, 6 short seconds. We've reset your maintenance light on your Toyota Matrix. I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that subscribe and that like button and follow us for more.